Jo Kenya medo golo paro wi lipod mabende aput manono kit somo ma CBC no chwalo ne jatend piny William Ruto ka jomoko orwako lipodno ka koma moko to iseye. Jafumbo Beti Juma olimonwa kendo loso report machalo kodama.
Jaod bura ma Ugunja Opio Wandai osiemo wang 10 Kenya kwanza kuom badruok gi weche mag kit somo manyien mar CBC. Odwaro ni ten piny oyang maler chenro ma oketo mar neno ni jopuonjre mag grade 6 odhie junior secondary makare kendo giyudo gigo duto madwarore e kinde ma gisomo ma ok gigeno kuom aguch CDF e gero klese.
You can't keep the country in abeyance perpetually on a matter as critical as a change in education curriculum. Tell us exactly what you want to do with this CBC. Stop prevaricating. Stop meandering. You just tell us clearly. If you want these class 7 people to be in primary schools, what are you doing to address the issue of infrastructure? And where is the money coming from? You saw me fighting vehemently in Parliament last few weeks about CDF. The CDF must have called high school. Oh, come on. Hey. So, over and above CDF, what other plans do you have, Mr. Ruto, to improve the infrastructure and facilities in our primary schools to be able to accommodate the junior secondary school students?
Esechegori urok mar jopuonj KUPPET kokalo kuom jagoro maduong' Akelo Misori bende oseya put maneno no somo mar CBC kaluwore gi lipod gi mane gicholo ni jatend piny William Ruto. Misori owacho ni apudno oketho CBC kaka kit somo mar 844 bende ne okethi. Omedo ni junior secondary oriko dong mana e skunde primary ka owacho ni apudno ne poko hikore ne lokruok e weche somo, wach ma osir gi jokanyo mamoko e weche somo county ma Kisii.
The Working Party deliberations and finally their summary, which was read yesterday, depicts that the Kenya was not ready to reform education. And we have done worse than how 844 was mutilated. Because we can't imagine that you are keeping Kenyan children longer in primary schools than any country in the region. So we are not a practice to be emulated.
Subjecting grade 6 to a national exam and then tell them that that national exam has no consequence, it is really demoralizing to the students. So they could have maybe said it earlier before the exam was done so that it could be just a continuous assessment to gauge where they are. So my thinking or my suggestion is that even if they domicile it in primary schools, they should consider high school teachers to be the ones who will carry them through grade 7, 8 and 9.
Kata kamano okang' ma ten piny Kenya okaw mar weyo junior secondary skunde primary orwaki gi jonyuol gi jopuonj ka giwacho ni jopuonjrego ne pod tindo kendo ok ginyal dak mabor gi jonyuol, mak mana ni achiedh nade ma gidhi yudo en mar jopuonj mabiro puonjo gi syllabus mar secondary.
We welcome the idea, we are happy about it, and it's a big relief. The parents were really worried, where on earth will a child in grade 6 go to if he is taken to a junior secondary school away from the parent? That was really worrying the parents and the teachers. But now we feel relieved, and we want to most sincerely appreciate our government for that very quick decision and a timely one for that matter.
The only challenge maybe I can see is that when we have junior secondary in primary schools, then there will be change in manpower. For example, maybe there will be a requirement, we have degree or diploma teachers who are trained for that. So my worry is that do we have such people for now to handle the junior secondary schools? Or the teachers who will be recruited, will they recruit P1 to handle the junior secondary?
Paro gibiro e sama jopuonjre mag grade 6 hikore na chako higa manyien e klese manyien kendo jonyuol kwayo ni mondo olos weche manyien modong kapok sikunde oyaw. Beti Juma, Ramogi TV.